Hey everybody, welcome back to Grey County Grillin'. I'm Chris, and today we are going to grill some salmon on the Traeger. We're going to use the recipe straight out of the Traeger cookbook, so stick around. Here is our piece of salmon. We're just going to follow the recipe in the Traeger app. And the first step for that calls for some Italian dressing. We're just going to put a little bit on there and then brush it over the entire surface. And then some blackened Saskatchewan Traeger style rub. And this is going to be our first time using that. And we'll see how that turns out, but it's definitely black. And just shake on a nice even coating there. Okay, that looks good. We're gonna let it sit for a few minutes and just kind of blend in. Then we'll go get the Traeger started up. We're warming up the Traeger. First step, you always set it to smoke. And then once you see the smoke rolling, like it's going right now, then you turn it up to your desired temperature. For this cook, we're gonna set it to 325, and that's the temperature we're gonna be cooking the salmon at. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Once it gets back up to temp to the 325, then I'll come out and throw the salmon on. The Traeger is up to temperature. It came up really quick. I'm going to say 10-15 minutes was all it took, and actually it's gone a little high. And one thing that I've noticed, especially with this new one, is when you set it to the initial temp right after startup, that it starts up really high. It always climbs well over the temperature that you're looking for, but once you open the lid, put the food in, and the temperature comes down, then it settles down, and it usually holds within 10 degrees plus or minus of the temperature that you've set. So we're going to lift the lid up, we'll get the salmon on, close her down, and then 20 to 30 minutes is all it should take. Got the salmon on, the temperature has gone back down to about 300. We're going to close that lid. We'll give it about 10-15 minutes before we check on it and just see how it looks. We're at about 12 minutes now since I put the salmon on, so we'll open it up and take a look, see what we've got so far. And I'm just going to zoom in a little bit for you. Adjust the camera down. And here we go. So that's after 12 minutes, and it is looking mighty good. It's definitely looking blackened, which is exactly what I was hoping for. I'm going to say another 10-12 minutes is probably all it takes. I'm going to close the lid right now. And we'll zoom you back out. Now, as a new Traeger owner, the one thing that I have noticed and that I absolutely love is the smell. The smell of those wood pellets burning is amazing. If you've never had the privilege or pleasure of smelling a wood-fired grill like a Traeger or a Green Mountain grill or a Grilla Grills or any of the other kinds of wood pellet grills out there, you need to, because that smell is just intoxicating. Like I said, we're going to give her another 10-12 minutes, come back and check, and it should be done. It's been another 12 minutes since we last checked in, and I think this is done. We're going to zoom in and check it just to see how flaky that is. And you can kind of see there, I kind of touched it with a fork a little bit. All right, that looks pretty good. So we're gonna take this off, take it inside, we'll let it sit for a little bit and give it a try. So here is the salmon. Looks a little beat up because I did not oil the little grate that I had it sitting on. That was my mistake. But overall, it looks pretty good. It smells really good. and we are going to give it a try.
We are. So I know Chris usually talks as though there's more than one of us there. He often says we are gonna season it, but there's only really just him, I promise. But right now there's 3 of us, so we're gonna give it a little bit of a try. We've got Gavin here. I'm gonna give him a little try. There we go. Now I'm gonna take some, and Chris gets one.
What?
Oh, you're gonna have a little bit.
Okay.
Also, it's delicious. Oh, that's a perfect Good Friday meal. It'll go beautifully with my risotto and my Brussels sprouts, which don't, as you'll see, there's nothing there. Nope, just the salmon. But those are going to be excellent as
They will be amazing as well. So the salmon is excellent. The risotto will be excellent. The Brussels sprouts will be excellent. It will be an excellent meal. And thank you everybody for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to share with your friends. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and what do you say, Gavin?
Happy Easter! Here's my addendum. The instant hot risotto that I've made, 3 cheese risotto, and the Brussels sprouts with shallots and bacon and balsamic glaze. Excellent.
Thank you, Tracy.
You're welcome.